Okay, welcome to video number 3 on the cracking the code unit. Before we start and we look at the Python program to encrypt data, just to check first of all to make sure you've got Python installed on your machine. When you go to the python.org website and you go to all releases, and depending on whether or not you're running it on a Windows, Linux or a Mac machine, choose one of the downloads. Generally 3.7 or 3.6 is what we're looking at. Okay, once you've got it installed and you've copied the bit of Python that's from the on the book that we've been looking through, the concatenation that we're looking at, because that's the first thing that we're going to look at within it. Let's have a quick look at the code first of all. Well, we've got 3 variables altogether. The first variable is using an input function and asking us that we're going to enter our name. The second variable, plaintext2, is just a text string that says the word hello. And then we've got another variable which is plaintext3, and plaintext3 looks at plaintext2. I've also put this in here just to put just the 2 quotes and a space so that we can separate the concatenation, so when it joins the 2 together. And then finally it picks up whatever's been entered in plaintext1. Okay, let's just quickly run this and see what we get. Okay, so we're going to run the module. We'll hit F5. Okay, so you can enter your name. I'll put Fred. And as soon as we enter Fred, Fred has now become the variable plaintext1. I enter, and then it picks up plaintext2, which was hello, puts in the space there just so that we separate them to 2, and then brings Fred on. And that is our first one that we're looking at. So that's just looking at strings, and that is concatenating, which is joining 2 strings together. Okay, and then next we're going to look at actually putting some ciphers in place.